Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Thursday, July 2nd, trading day. What is going on, FSP fam? Hope you're having a great morning. What's going on? Brendan, Trey's Choice, Edson, Amp, Gold, Annie, Long, Kel, JL, Robert, Greek, Nor, Paula, Lee, Marwin, NGS Guy, David, Trader LG, Grow, Rafa, Mayshim Tech, Digital Key V, Legacy, Resulto, Mohammed, Giorgio, 128 Salvatore, Ed Bilson, Brusty, Teddy, David, Resulto, Yeti, Angel, lots of warriors right off in the morning. You know what we're gonna do, right? We're going to pray together, and if you haven't liked the stream yet, please go ahead and start it always with a like. All right? Good morning, Code TK. Trader Bless. ARAP3, good morning. John, Souffle, Mark, NQ. Only Love TX. Jaylon. All right, guys, let's do what we do as a community, and let's pray. Heavenly Father, we give you praise and honor and glory that you deserve. Every day that we wake up with breath in our lungs is a testament of your grace and mercy. May you help us to never forget what you have done for us. Help us always be grateful. In the midst of trials and hardships, we ask that you sustain us, Holy Spirit. Keep our eyes fixed on Jesus, the author and finisher of our faith, and deliver us from evil. And help us to uplift your holy name. As we go about our day and into the long weekend, may your presence be with us. And may your guidance and peace be upon all of us to follow after you all the days of our lives. Bless our families and guide us, we pray. In the mighty name of Jesus, your name we pray. Amen. All right, guys. So today we're going into the long weekend. And right now, we have like a gap down of some sort.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
And so far straight down.
Order filled. Order filled.
From 30,330, we're down about 300 points. Okay. Let's see whether we go straight down.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Boom, one.
Order filled. Order filled.
Out 1,300 funded. Let's go.
Order filled.
Let's do another one. Let's do... All right, so we're coming back into this box. Do we hold this box or do we go lower? You have to make a decision. You have to make a decision. Do we hold this box or do we keep pumping? Sell one on this Take Profit Pro here. Stop break even.
Order submitted.
Very whippy. Make sure you size down. Rotate your accounts. We got the NFP high right here at 320s. Can we hold? That's the question.
Order submitted.
Good morning, Kevin. Blessings to you too. God bless you. Carlos took the long 30K. Well done, man. Well done. So right now, guys, the key is whether we can break above 180. If we can break above 180, the market will likely try to attack the NFP high. I know it's hard to believe. It's like 200 points higher. But if we don't go higher, we break this bubble, we go to this box down here. So you have to make a decision what it's going to be. Okay? If they come down here,
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
probably going to get stopped out here. I'm going to rotate if I get stopped out. Getting ready. Guys, if you haven't hit the like button yet, please go ahead and hit the like button. NFP 2 lows of sugar coat. What do you mean by that?
Order submit. Order filled.
Sell one more, holding one last. In case it comes down, I already locked in a payout on this Take Profit Pro. If it stops me out, I already locked in a payout. So, one like, one share, one comment. That's right, Angie. If you like this community, make sure you like the stream. Click the share button and comment on the previous live stream. We may have a downtrend break here. If we can break out of the downtrend break, we can get out of 180, possibly retest the 200 zone. But if we reject, we'll break this line and break this bubble down to the downside. SPX pumping. Financials really strong, going straight up. SPY's really strong. ES pushing more than NQ. VIX getting crushed. Semi's getting bought up after the dip in the morning. Nice. Alright, I'm going to stop break even on this guy. Not stop break even. I'm going to trail it in case it comes down. Make sure I trail a payout. ATR not very crazy. Yeah, 37 only, so nothing too crazy. I'm going to trail this payout.
Order filled.
Boom! 4,800.
Order canceled.
Locking in a payout. Take profit. Let's go. This one is at 56310 minus the 2,000 buffer. I'm gonna request a 4,300 tonight on this Take Profit Trader account. That's why I like Take Profit Trader, guys. That's why they're my #1 prop firm. Take a nice hero trade, more than 100 points here, right? I'm glad I sold, guys. I'm glad I sold. Look at that. If I didn't sell up here, guess what? Now, could it pump back up? Anything is possible. But then I can engage another account. Right? So, very nice. All right, now I'm going to get to a first entry.
Order filled.
Going to use the first entry eval here because they may pump here. But I'll do a dangerous move here in case.
Order filled.
Gonna let this eval take the hit. I already traded 2 funded accounts so far, and those ones worked well.
Order filled.
So I'm willing to sacrifice now this eval
Order filled.
and give me a right entry for the funded again. So all right, one more pump. I rotate to another eval. Nice dip and then back up. Held it. Rotating.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Tim Dog, you've been here with us for a while. You never paid for one single thing. I don't know what you're talking about. Don't buy the course, okay? Don't buy it, okay? If you're you guys who asked me to convince you to buy it, don't buy it. I don't even make that much money on the courses. My payouts are way more than the course, so don't buy it, honestly. If you want to learn my strategy A to Z, then go and buy it. But if you're, I don't even have time for the energy in the morning. But anyway, God bless you. Hope you trade well. All right, I'm gonna go back to this account. Boom!
Order submitted.
Nice.
Order filled.
I'm out. 5,900. Let's go. Buy the dip and sell the rip. Nice, nice. Yo, Carlos, I joined you, man. I joined you. How about that, huh? How about that?
Order filled. Order filled.
Nice. Green oil got the short. Well done, man.
Order filled.
100 points down, man. Fabio, you got it, Trader Bless. Nice. Anybody got the long or the short? Got both this morning. That was nice. Sell one.
Order filled.
Let's just sell a couple in case they go one more lower. Carlos got both. Well done, man. And that's a big shakeout. Mike, thanks for streaming. No problem, man. No problem. You got 50 points in that short doodle. Nice.
Order
Careful, guys. We break this bubble. We go to this box down here. That's why I'm going to sell some. Trying to work a core right here. Trader LG 1K in the short. Nice. Guys, if you haven't hit the like button yet and you're joined trading together right now, please go ahead and hit that like button. We got almost 1,300 people and only 200 likes. Guys, how's that possible? We got to get the like minimum 500 likes right now, guys. At least half of you got to hit that like. Do you think that's fair? You come here every day. I don't ask for anything other than do the like, right? Do the like. Come on, guys. Do the like and hit these emojis here. It's one click on the like. And also these emojis, if you don't want to click a button to trade, do these reactions here and just massively click them, all right? 300 bucks. Boom! Boom! I'm out 3,700. Long them, short them, long them. You like that? Anybody like that? Nice. Nice. Anybody like that? Anybody got the dip? Guys, 30s to like, that's 90 points right there. I don't know what you're doing if you're not selling. I don't know what you're doing if you're not selling here. Can we pump through? Of course, anything can happen. I sold here and I dipped it back down here short. Like, guys, come on. Kevin, much better than yesterday. Yeah, yesterday was a little rough, but it's again, like, guys, we come back stronger, right? We come back stronger.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order canceled. Order submitted.
Sam, everybody got that? You passed one, Malik. Well done, man. The blue zone's a box. You see, they respect the boxes, guys. If you want to learn how to draw the box, module 8.3 in my course. If you don't want to get the course, no problem. Just show up every day for free. Okay? And these boxes are drawn for you. Well, it's actually drawn for me. It's entertainment only for you, so don't copy what I do here. Nice. Boom! I'm out another 2,500. Let's go. Guys, are we a little too excited? Do we need to calm it down? Should we calm it down a little bit? I don't want to start hearing people. Some people are inevitably going to say, yo, bro, that's too loud, bro. You got to calm down, bro. I mean, we're about to hear it, guys, so I don't know. Should I calm down or... We're about to hear it. Someone's going to pop a comment. Yo, bro, that's kind of too loud, bro.
Order submitted. Order filled.
No, right? Be me. Don't calm down, right? You need the energy in this morning, right? Yeah, it works so you can trade, David. Don't cry, man. Don't cry. Being at work actually enables you to trade better. So you're actually at a better place that you can trade being at work right now, okay? So don't cry. No, don't cry for me, Argentina, but don't cry for me when you're at work, all right? Love the renewed spirit. Every day's a new day, man. Every day's a new day. Oh, there we go. There we go. Stephen Lee says too emotional. Oh, there we go. Am I too emotional, guys? Are we too emotional? Well done, Carlos. All right, guys, they may try to sweep this area here. Right now they're just ranging many times, like to revisit the high of the data, okay, the data point. I'm not saying us to go there.
Order filled.
But many times likes to go there and retest that.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Look at that pump. This one's gonna get squeezed. I'm gonna rotate to another one. I'll rotate to this guy. Nice. Rotating.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submit. Order filled. Order submitted.
Nice. Come on, pull it back, man. Pull it back. Don't think. Just pull. If they pump, I may have to close this. Cover one more. Holding one last. Stop break even.
Order submitted.
The eval got hurt, but the funded got 1,700. That's how you do it. The eval's crying again. Stop crying, eval. Why didn't you let me hit daily loss? I'm a brand new eval, and you made me lose 2,000. Shut up, eval. Sorry, guys, if I wouldn't have said that. But the funded came in at the 1,700. That's how we rotate, guys. That's how we rotate. You just made 4K and you're funded? Company X, well done, man. Oh, man, guys. Are we a little bit too excited? I gotta calm it down. Someone says I'm a little too emotional right now. I need to be a little bit more robotic. What am I on right now? How about we're on the fire of the Holy Ghost? How about we're on the grace of God, the mercy of God, that even though while we're still a sinner, that He died for us, that Christ saw a miserable sinner like me. All right? And He pulled me out of the miry clay. And if you can't celebrate on that in the morning, and if you can't celebrate on that fact, then I don't know where you're at. Because the blood of Jesus does that to you. Because the grace of God does that to you. Because I know how deep in the water I'm in. And I know how deep that if He doesn't pull me out of that water, that I'm going to drown. That I've been in the past, I've drowned big time. Big time. But you know what? He pulled me out of the water and He resuscitated me and He gave me resurrected life in Jesus. Because He said, I am the resurrection and the life. And he who, even though he dies, he shall live. And that's why I have hope, even though I know that I'm flawed, even though I know I got nothing to offer. But this day today, I celebrate because of that fact. How about that? How about that? I don't know where that come from. I know where that come from God, all right? So we can celebrate on the trade, and we can celebrate on what God has done for us, guys, all right? Bro, why are you yelling? Bro, why are you yelling, bro? I don't know, man. I'm just excited. If you know me, then you'll be excited about what God has done for me. If you know me, you will know why you should celebrate. Some of you guys put me on a pedestal. But if you know me in real life, you'll be like, man, I'm not even sure if I like FSP. That's why I celebrate the grace of God. Because I know myself.
Order submitted.
Apple at 301. I bought the calls at 270s. I sold them all 2 days ago. Palantir 130. I bought them. Same thing. If I held those, I would have had like an 8 bagger. Probably 10 times. I couldn't hold that long. I don't have diamond hands, man. I don't have diamond hands. Celebrate waking up this morning healthy. That's right. That's right, David. Otherwise, that's how you come back, right? Which prop I'm using? I'm using Apex and Take Profit Trader mainly. Take Profit Trader, I just took a payout on this account. So today I'm going to request over 4,100 because I need $2,000 in a balance, and this one the balance at 56310. So what a great day, guys. It was a little rough, but you know, the time's gonna be rough, guys. The time's gonna be rough. I got an account that's down to $7 in drawdown. I don't even know why this account is still here. I don't know why they didn't.
Order submitted.
This account got $7 in drawdown. How's that possible? Like, why is it not taken out? I don't know how this guy got $7 in drawdown.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
All right, now that it's got $7. A-Rap3, thank you for the super chat again. Time again. Joe 2332, and it'll be that everyone who calls on the name of the Yahweh will be delivered. For on Mount Zion and in Jerusalem there'll be those who escape, as Yahweh has said. Even among the survivors whom Yahweh calls, God calls, we're saved by Yahweh, Jesus of Nazareth. Through him, the remission of sins
Order submitted.
is provided. Amen. God bless you, bro. God bless you, brother. From here, 30,000. We're up 180 points so far. Tesla finally coming down 413 after a big pump.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Yo, what just happened? I got another account triggered. I didn't even know that. I set a limit on this account. Okay.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Praying all-time high days just for 4th of July. We'll see, man. We'll see.
Order filled.
Nice. Nice. Come on, man. Don't think. Just come down here. You predicted chop? We'll see, man. We'll see. They may be going for the NFP high here. Many times I like to do that, right? At a round trip would be about 300 points. So how to know where to set my entries? I don't know for sure. I just take an educated guess on certain levels, right? Certain levels. What platform do I use? Ninja Trader right here. Ninja Trader 8. ATR is 46. Yeah, I mean, it's not as crazy as like 70 or 80, but you still got to size down. You still got to size down. Jack trade. Am I trading tomorrow? No, tomorrow's holiday, man. Tomorrow's July 4th. A lot of, like, over half of you guys who watch the channels are Americans. I'm a Canadian, right? Yesterday I streamed on Canada Day, but I had fun last night. Went out, took some time with the family, and then met some cousins. What a great time, great time. Tomorrow is July 4th, Independence Day, right? So make sure you go and, like, just go out and have fun, right? Don't stay in and try to trade or whatever. The volume is gonna be bad. No one's gonna be there. Right? Everyone in your neighbor is going to be cooking up a hot dog or some kind of rib or something like that. And then you're going to be there trying to click buttons on low volume. Right? I'm not streaming tomorrow and I'm not trading. Neither should you, man. Neither should you. So.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Rotating.
Order submitted. Order filled.
They're trying to go for the NFP highs there.
Order submitted.
Tim Dog, God bless you, man. God bless you, man. I don't think anything I say will be able to convince you, and I'm not trying to convince you. You're here every day for free on the stream. If you like it, great. We appreciate you. We welcome you here. But if you think that you don't like it, that's okay too. But in any case, all right. I wish you the best. All right. God bless you.
Order
Yeah, the sell is very dangerous. They're trying to go for the NFP high here, so. From this 30,000, they pumped 260 points so far straight up. Guys, just keep the stream positive, right? It's all good, all right? It's all good. We all have days, right? We all have good days. We all have bad days. All we gotta know is God is good, all right? What about scalp trading? You need special membership for multiple trades today? No, you don't. I mean, prop firms allow you to trade scalp. I mean, I scalp with prop firms right now, right? A very calm morning so far. I wouldn't say very calm. I mean, we got some great whips here, so that's pretty nice. Boom! Nice. $1,200. Boom, done. Well done to Trader Paradise. Well done. Sacrifice an account, but a second one stepped in. Very nice. Rotation. Working. Right now, if they bust through this box here, they'll probably go for this NFP high and go for the green line, which is the FOMC low here, support. This green line keep on being like a kind of like an interest area. My Fund of Futures just announced a sale. What's the sale? If you want the sale, use the code FSP. You'll get the max discount. All right, on My Fund of Futures.
Order submitted.
How a 300-point swings calm, right? Should be nice sales this weekend. Do you guys want to sale on my course then? I never thought about it, actually. I can do a sale on my course. Maybe we'll start doing it at lunchtime. I'll whip out a code or something. And yeah, that's right. That's right. Right now, like, remind me in about like half an hour to an hour. I'll do a code when things die down. Right now, I'm trying to manage this trade here. I can't do the code yet, but... sounds good, Marty. Just remind me a little bit later, okay? Meta pulling back after the news yesterday. Apple, big pump. Palantir, big pump. Unfortunately, I didn't hold till this day. That's the kind of pump I wanted. I literally bottom ticked it on the day. What was 107 Palantir and 275 an Apple. That's when I got it. Guys, if we pump through here, this flag here, they may do one more squeeze into this box if we don't drop. And then they may go for this NFP high here. So make sure you know that, all right?
Order filled. Order submit. Order filled. Order filled.
Boom, 1400. I'm just going to cover it in case they do a little rope-a-dope back up. 1400 on the fund did. Let's go. And a payout will take profit today. Very nice, guys. Let's do this guy. Hey Brandon, I got your message. I got you, bro. I'm gonna I got you. I'm gonna, after the stream, I'm gonna connect with you, okay, bro? I'm praying for you, bro. Every time, you know, the Lord brings just into my remember, like, guys, just like if God brings Brandon and his family into your remembrance, please pray for him. Right, very hard time for him. It's not easy to you know, to lose a child, not just once but twice, and just pray for him, okay, guys? And just praying for the peace of God to be with you, Brandon. And Lucy, you may want to take a break. You may want to take a break, okay? That poem was amazing. Yeah, it was not bad. It was pretty nice. All right, right now I can't do it on my fund disk, so I'm going to do it on an eval. I'm going to go pull an eval, because I can't do it at this level. So let me do an eval. It's gonna be dangerous, but I'll do it on an eval because I can't do my funded up here. I'm looking for a pull into here. In fact, if it goes up here, I may take the long off and short it. But here is...
Order submit. Order filled. Order filled.
If you lost another funded, then take a break, right? If you're trying to just do it right now, you're most likely going to burn that thing.
Order filled.
Let's see if they pump to the NFP high. We got news coming at 10 o'clock. U.S. Factory orders. Okay. So that may pump it. That may pump it. Got about 47 seconds. Good morning, guys. Tim, what's going on, bro? Good to see you, man. If we pump through this box, very dangerous short on this eval here. If we pump through it, this eval probably won't make it because it's going to go straight to the NFP high. So I'll have to use the eval here. But if they sweep it, I'm willing to do it on the funded. So. All right, 18 seconds to that news. U.S. core durable goods. I'm not sure if it's going to move the market or not, but there's a news there. Okay, guys? There is a news there. I don't know if it's going to move the market or not.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
So far, not much reaction to that news. Not much reaction. Durable goods. I don't know how to interpret this, guys. If you know how to interpret this, May 33,332 billion, negative 4.5%. I have no idea what that means, guys. So if you know what that means, you know what that means. But right now, the market doesn't seem to have a big reaction into this area. And so far, they're still rejecting this box. All right? Still rejecting this box. They bought this box and reject this box. It's part of the game, Elmer, man. It's part of the game, man. Net green is what you're after, so. Apple super strong, 302, man. You think it's about to pump? It could. It could. It hasn't taken out NFP high yet. Hasn't taken out NFP high, so it could. Slightly better than expected. Factory orders, but still negative. I see.
Order submit. Order filled.
Many times when they do this data low here, like a data high, data low, they have to go for the data highs and then see where they go from there. Right now, the 15-minute, massive V-shape recovery. Okay. And the hourly chart also not looking too bad here with a nice recovery of a downtrend break here. So far, the market has recovered pretty good.
Order filled.
They're going for the NFP high. We're not yet at NFP high. We're very close to it.
Order filled.
Right here's NFP high right here. 320s. I may have to rotate my account. About to rotate. Let me rotate to this guy. About to rotate.
Order submitted.
Very nice.
Order submitted.
Lots of resistance in the 4-hour chart. Yeah, but it's been tested already, so it's not really fresh, but it's still there. The resistance is still there, you're right. The first time they punched through it, so that there's still a factor. There's still a factor. If you look at the hourly chart, there's still a bunch of resistance here in this box. So they are jamming into this hourly box again. That's true.
Order canceled.
All right, let me go back to this guy here.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Didn't get high enough for my second entry. I had a fund it ready up here in case he swipe it, but Tesla massive down today after a hard pump.
Order filled.
Nice.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Right into the box and rejected. Boom. One left. Holding one left. When I rotate means going with the funded? No. Sometimes I rotate to another eval. I rotate into like a low value or a higher value. A lower value is like an account almost blown up. Higher value is like either a brand new funded or a funded that has almost no drawdown left. So if you go back to my course inside module 3, I go in depth. There's like 6 videos there talking about how I rotate my accounts. Module 3.2 is where I give you the Excel sheet that I personally used when I first started. Now I don't use it anymore because I know in my head. But in the beginning, I used this Excel sheet to let me know, okay, well, this account I'm going to do first, second, third. I ranked them, which one to go first. And then like I had like 20 windows right before the market starts, and I already had them all outlined. Right, so just rewatch that module 3. If you want my course, go to FSPFUTURES.com. I will try to whip up a code here real quick for you guys, but I'm trying to keep an eye on this trade here. Just gonna call the code 4th, and I'm gonna set it to end date. If they can pump up here, they may go for the high again. Can they go up, or are we going to come back down? You have to make a decision. Carlos, I'm riding the shore with you, man. Riding the shore with you. I'm riding the shore with you bears right now, man. But if they pump through, be careful. Alright guys, I just made the coupon. Let me see if it works here. If you want the course with a July 4th discount, use the code J4. Okay, I'll give you the direct link here. If you want to buy directly, there it is. But if you use the code J4 right here, let me refresh this thing here. Use the code J4 right here. Click apply, you get $100 off, okay? It's gonna end on Monday, midnight. So which means you have until the night of Sunday. Nice!
Order filled. Order canceled.
Let's go!
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Alright. I'm gonna keep this one. I'm gonna rotate to another one. Let's do this guy here. So a double top here so far, pulling back.
Order filled.
Company accept, that's right. So if you guys want it, like I just gave you the discount that you guys asked for, okay? From 300, we rejected to 182. Okay, 120 point reject. We can still keep going lower. You have to make a decision, okay? Fair value got filled, okay. Well, I don't trade ICT, so, but if you do, one more swipe in this area
Order submitted.
will be nice and see whether they hold. Do we go all the way straight down?
Filled.
Do we go all the way straight down
Order filled.
here? Great job, Carlos. I covered here, man. It's too it's too much. From this 300 went down like 170 points straight down. I covered already, so. Too much money, Carlos. Glad you like it. I wrote it down with you bears here, man. Terry, you missed the dip. I had a fishing order and literally just filled me in a fishing order. Nice. Come on, man. One more pump, man. One more pump. Oh, don't do that. You're on the phone. Sometimes it happens. You go to a washroom or something and it happens. It happens all the time.
Order filled.
Boom! 1100 on the fund it and got a pass threshold. Nice. Now I can activate another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to activate the 9th one. Nice. Nice. Rotate account. Rotate accounts. That's right. That's right. What a straight up move, man. What a straight up.
Order filled.
What a straight up, huh? VJ left from India, bro. Just following you trade are profitable from 2 days. Your entry and exits are perfect. God bless you, bro. God bless you too. May you find hope, grace, and peace through Jesus Christ. And I'm happy that you made some money. But don't follow me, man. Don't follow me. You see that I take red trades too, right? So I'm really happy that you got profitable last 2 days, you know, being on the partners community. But remember, I take red trades all the time. In fact, yesterday, you know, I got really frustrated, right? So just, I'm really happy you did well, man. When you take a payout, when you guys are green, I'm really happy. Remember, trading their losses, right? Sometimes it's going to suck. And sometimes it's going to be great, right? So, but really happy for you, VJ. God bless you, man. Remember, guys, this channel is entertainment only. Do not ever copy my trades. All right? Do not ever copy my trades because I'm a normal trader like you. You know, sometimes I have emotions. Sometimes I go on tilt and whatever. So just, you know, don't, you know, copy my stuff. All right? Make sure you do it with your own thesis. Okay?
Order submitted. Order filled.
That's right, Angie. I know stream tomorrow. Temporary FS. I'm your financial advisor. I hope not. I hope not. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just, you know, just an entertainment channel shooting off my mouth here. You know, like I'm telling you about the grace of God. That's the most important thing. And ES is really strong, guys. ES is really strong. And almost want to take out highs here. And NQ is not following yet. Semis Semi has a gap down and is trying to recover, but it's pulling back a little bit too. So
Order filled.
ES is pushing because financials are really strong today. Okay, financials are really strong right now. Okay. Pop straight up and hard reject so far. Okay.
Order submitted.
One more hard drop. Gonna have to rotate.
Order filled.
Work the core. Work the core. Got a one contract.
Order submitted.
Apple's up 3%. I know. I sold all my calls yesterday, man. I sold every last bit. I would have had like an 8x or 10x. I bought it when Apple had a panic day at 275. I bought the July 10th calls. I made good money on them. I think, I don't know, like I think I did at least 3 to 4 times. But if I held till today, everything, it would have been at least like, I think 5 to 7 times easy. But that's hindsight, right? You can never look at a chart and do hindsight stuff. You know, it's just not good, right? It doesn't help anybody. It doesn't help you, right? So rejecting pretty hard here, guys. Rejecting pretty hard here.
Order submitted.
Wow.
Order filled. Order submitted.
If it dives all the way down here, I'm going to have to rotate to another account. This one will hit daily loss. Big rejection so far.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
About to rotate.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Rotating. That one took the loss.
Order filled. Order filled.
That's a 100-point reject. 100-point reject.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Big pull. If we don't hold here, they may try to go for the lows here. So from this 300 high, we went down about 180 points, okay? If they want to pull, they can still pull lower. So you have to make a choice.
Order submitted.
I want to see if they can clear this back up and go to the 240s and 260s. If they can't do that, we break one lower, we go to this box here. So you can sell it if you want. You don't have to hold it here, guys. I'm holding, you don't have to, okay? You got some good profits, you lock it. All right, one move down here, all this profit's gone. All right, so you got to just do what works for you. Nice. Nice. Come on, man. Don't stop. Just go. Boom! 1900. I'm out. I'm out. Sacrifice one account. The second one stepped in. Very nice. Perfect timing, man. Look at that. Perfect timing. Right? Let's do... This guy's got a low...
Order submitted.
Don't stop, just go. Alright, guys. If they break below here, they may go for this double bottom here, okay? Make sure you know that. You passed 150K take profit. Well done, Abdullah. Well done, man. Carlos says big boom coming. Is that right? Let's see.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
All right, do we break here? Do we break to this low here? Do we pump back up? You have to make a decision.
Filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
What a reject, huh? 300 straight down reject. The 30,075. Tesla's at 405, man. Big dump after the pump. I gave him my puts already, so that's a little too sad. But can we pump from here or do we stall still? Do we keep going lower? You have to make a decision. Congratulations, Bears, on taking it from 300 all the way down here. 230 points to the downside. Well done, Bears. Lyrics Messiah thinks lower still? Let's see, man. Possible. They haven't taken out this box yet. They could go for the box if they want. Do we get an inversion here? If we can dive in an inversion back, we will get a big pump. But if we reject here, we go to this box down here. You have to make a decision.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled.
So far, still rejecting. Still rejecting. If it's real, we're at least at 160 here. If it's real, we at least take this out.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Great call, Lyrics Messiah. Great call.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
They're going for the lows. Do we get a W? You have to make a decision. From here, if they go for the lows, they'll have a hard swipe. I will rotate if they do that. Big down so far.
Order filled.
Big fear. Big down here. Third time this level, right? So. All right, about to rotate this guy. So far, selling pressure pretty hard. Rotating. Fishing order setting.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Straight down. Well done, guys. Well done on the Bears, guys.
Order filled.
Bears did a great job.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Big pull here. Big pull. Gotta rotate and wait. Gotta rotate and wait.
Order filled.
Into the box again. Wow. Massive rejection. They love doing these hard pulls, huh? Tesla straight down at 401. Massive panic on Tesla here. It'll go to Asia, London low. Yeah, what a gap up, and then they sell it so hard, right? Man, that's crazy, huh? Cut down to everything. Lost a couple of accounts, unfortunately.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Crazy dump from 300, 400 points lower liquidation. Crazy dump.
Order submitted.
Well done on the Bears. Well done on the Bears, taking it down so hard. I'm glad I sized down today. Learned from my mistake yesterday. Much better. You caused the bounce back up. Nice. Well done, man.
Order filled.
So one.
Order filled.
All right, I'm out. 1,500. Let's fund it. Gonna go to this eval here. Got 2 accounts going on.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order canceled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
All right, locked in 4K. Nice. If they get another dip, I will dip another one back in. Getting pretty volatile, guys. Getting pretty volatile, especially with this drop here. They shouldn't have dropped that hard. So be really careful here. Size down a little bit so, you know, you can weather the volatility.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
If they don't get back above 30,000, that's going to be bad news. But are they going to sell it off ahead of July 4th? I don't know. It just seems hard to believe they're going to sell it off before the 4th. Usually they get some fireworks. SpaceX inclusion? Is that today? Is that why Tesla is going down? They say the fireworks for the night? Maybe.
Order submitted. Order filled.
These are big candles, guys. ATR is back to 57. Very, very big candles. Very, very big candles.
Filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Very, very big candle rejections.
Order filled.
Yeah, 5 minute pretty bad here, so. They may be going for this Asia low here, guys. This yellow line. So they want to sell off the entire thing here. Tesla's at $399. Massive panic. I don't know. Anybody got news on Tesla? Why are they going down like that? Anybody know?
Order filled.
Why is there mass panic with Tesla? Delivery numbers? I didn't see anything on Financial Juice.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Factory's order fell in May. Okay. SMH broke overnight lows. Yeah, the semis are getting weak right now too. So, but I don't know. I may be wrong on this bias. I'm not sure they sell it off into the July 4th weekend. I could be totally wrong on this, but I'm just gonna lock it in this fund it. Just took a payout on it, and go back to this account. Oh, this account's passed.
Order.
Boom! Past the account. Nice. Lost a few accounts coming down here, but net green is all you need. Net green is all you need.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
These are big pops, guys. From here at 880, we popped 100 again. Ellen better. Yeah, much better, much better. So. If I just held my puts on Tesla, right? I did puts like 2 days ago. Got a little squeezed. All right. Let's do this account.
Order filled.
If you think the selling is done, you buy this dip here. If you think we go to the Asia lows, you don't buy this dip here. It's that simple. If you're like, you know what, they're going to sweep the Asia lows here, and we're going to go to the 750, that there's 200 points lower to go. You don't buy the dip here. But if you think, okay, we're done now, and right now they're retesting this hourly zone here, and they're going to hold above this previous zone. You see the zone? Right here, I guess you can move the line down here, which previous low here. They're retesting the 840, this previous breakout zone. They retested this zone and failed. Now they're going to retest this zone, 800 zone. Okay, so you have to follow your own thesis here, guys. Okay, some accounts will be lost if you rotate. I lost a few accounts rotating too, but net green is all that matters. Net green is all that matters, right? Last month in June, I spent 25K in fees, got 85K in payouts, so 60K net profit. Right? 25K in fees is a lot. It's a lot. You don't have to spend that much. You can spend maybe $2,500, you know, in fees. You don't have to spend that much. Okay? My guess is they probably chop it around here a little bit. Some bears who missed this move here, they may try to short here. They pump it down here, pump it back up. I think there's going to be a little bit of chop here. but they may be trying to go for this yellow line, which is this yellow low, this is the Asia low there. So you're gonna have to make a decision. Do we get a catalyst? Do we pump back up, or do we go straight down sell? You gotta make a decision. All right.
Order filled. Order filled.
5 minute. Are we bear flagging, or are we doing a flag to go back up? You have to make a decision. Financial still very strong. SPY's being pulled down by, I think Tesla is pulling the market down, guys. Like Tesla's at 398 is free falling like crazy here after the big pump there. So Tesla is really dragging the market down. If Tesla can rebound, because right now if you look at Netflix bouncing, Palantir good, Google good, Apple strong. AMD's weak though. The semis are quite weak. So if the semis are weak, SOXL down to 200, guys. So if the semiconductors keep on being weak, this eval got toast here. If the semiconductors keep on getting weak, it's gonna drag the market down.
Order filled.
Okay.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
They may be done selling until they sweep this Asia low, guys. Pretty dangerous here. Semis are coming down hard right now. SMH, a red doji, that's a big red flag. When semis get hit, the market's gonna get hit.
Filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Unfortunately, this eval got toasted too. Let's do this guy here. Just cracked through the Asia lows.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Wow.
Order filled.
Just cracked through the Asia lows.
Order filled.
That's why I tell you guys, when semis get hit, the market is gonna tank hard because we had a crazy rip up. So semis are tanking right now, guys. So it's dragging the market down. Even though like the other sectors are doing well, when semis get hit, this is what happens, man. 200 points straight down from this zone here. Nasty stuff. Man, semis are killing the market right now. Healthcare pumping, financials pumping, semiconductors the only one going down. Guys, if you know what that means, if you look at the market and the overall market is not going down and only one sector is going down, I hope you know what to do, okay? I hope you know what to do if you're swing trading. If you look at the overall market, if the entire thing is busting, .com bust, that kind of stuff, you will not see financials up massive green, healthcare green, like all this other kind of stuff. Okay, so make sure you know what that means. Okay, VIX only has 16.743. So temporarily, you're gonna get some pain in semiconductors. Temporarily, you're gonna get some pain. What that means is that there's rotation out of the semis, because people are taking profits now, right? They're rotating to another sector. It doesn't mean that the market is crashing. If it's back to COVID times, everything's crashing, every sector is red. That's what it means. Okay.
Order filled.
I want to right now find a base to do a fib, but if they keep on continuing lower, the fib's not going to mean anything. So if they keep on breaking lower, if they hold a level, this goes down, you're done for the day. I mean, yeah, I mean, like if you have a set set amount, like yesterday I walked away too, so they swept the Asia lows. Now the lows here.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Rejecting again. Micron's at 1,000. AMD 518, big pullback. Nvidia's not really touched that much. It is coming down a little bit. But SMH having a big red doji. That's not good. Jinping, now take a break, man. Take a break. Take a break. You gotta take a break. Yesterday I took a break too. Came back stronger today. You gotta size down. Give yourself a chance. What a drop. Hey, you've seen nothing yet. This is only 500 points. If the semis, if today's the day where semis tank, like 5 to like 10%, that kind of day, we have another 1,000 points lower to go on NQ. Now, I'm not saying that's going to happen, but I'm saying if on that day, when semis get hit, like the woodshed day on semis, kind of like what you see on a day of like, what was that day? That big candle on, man, why doesn't it show me the... There's one day that semis went down super hard back in, I think June 5th or something, like beginning of June. If that's the kind of day, the market will go down 1,000, 1,500 points in NQ. Right now, we're only about a third of that. We're only a third of that. Now, I'm not saying like semis have to go down like that day today, but if that's the day, then we have only seen a third of the sell. So, doesn't mean I'm going to go full push short here. I'm just saying like, look at that. Everything's getting rejected. High was 320. Yep. We're only down about 500 points. It's really not that crazy. I know we think it's like a big crazy. Semiconductors getting hit hard. Tesla getting hit really hard. So it's like, on the grand scheme of things, it's really not that crazy. Into the box. Are they going to whip? Man, just constant sell pressure. Not even one single bounce. I may have to just step out here and not... I can't short down here, but I may have to stop catching it because they may liquidate another 200-300 points lower. They're going to downsize one here. I'm really not liking the action right now. The only thing that saved me today is I sized down because I learned from a mistake yesterday. So... that right there is a big pop, okay?
Order filled.
Let's see if we can bust through this previous breakdown candle. If we can bust through the breakdown candle, we can probably go back up to 920, 940. But if we dive again, we have another leg lower. So you kind of have to make a decision what you want to do here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Can't do a stop out here.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Nice.
Order submitted.
Come on, man. About to take profit, and then you go back. All right, gonna stop me out. 1. If they stop me out on 1, then it stops me out. Still pretty weak, guys. We haven't really found a base on the 5-minute yet.
Order.
Nice. Move the stop up on this one. This one I just took a payout on, so I don't want to go crazy on it. Boom! 1,400 funded. Let's go. Nice. Nice. It's a 300K account, legacy account, so I don't want to go stupid on it. So we sold, guys, from 316 to 755. So that's not big and that's not small. Now the key is whether they keep on going up and break hard, going up and break hard, or whether they start finding a base. Okay? With semis down so hard today and Tesla being at 396, anything's possible. Anything's possible. Okay? I'm looking for them to hold a base somewhere, right? But so far they got no base. So far they just like really just selling, and that's not good. That's not good. You see that pump there? Rejected again. So that's not good, guys. Looking really weak ahead of July 4th. I mean, sometimes there's fireworks. Today's a little bit weird. I don't know. Gotta say. I mean, a little bit weird, right? That they sell that hard ahead of the 4th. Many times you get a pump into it, but who knows? It doesn't have to, whatever, but. Yeah, pretty bad reject here. We should have like held and pumped through here. I think we're near a intermediate retrace to the upside. Maybe 200-300 points. Maybe not 300, maybe 200 points. So if we bounce, let's say we swipe one more and we bounce 700, I think we can bounce to 900. We should get at least like a 900 point pump. Like the next real pump should be about 200 points. But I could be wrong on that. Still breaking. Still breaking.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Tesla 396. You look at the premiums on Tesla, that's super ultra crazy. Like it ripped like it ripped straight up to 440s almost, and now it's down 40 points in one day. What a crazy volatility on Tesla, man.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Massive sell right now, guys. Semis, like Micron is 989. All right. AMD 517 failed breakout. SMH coming down hard. Financials and other sectors still holding strong. So that's a good sign. That's a good sign. But Semis are whacking the market along with Tesla here, okay?
Order filled. Order canceled.
Boom! $1,000 on a 50K. Fund it. Let's go. Nice. Nice. Just size down, guys. ATR is 53. Right? If you try to short down here, they pump you. They buy here, they dump you. You know, you gotta size down. I learned from my lesson yesterday. I sized down today. I learned from my lesson. Gotta size down.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Sell one, holding one last.
Order submit. Order filled. Order filled.
I want to see a base. If this is the base, 735, we should get a 200-point pump from here, if it's real. So 735, I would guess about this 920 mark is where they finish. And then they're going to chop a little bit, maybe even up to this box here, if this is real. If this is not real, we go back down again. But the next pop, we will get about 200 to 250 point pump. That's what I'm looking for. I could be wrong, you know, but... So Jinping, I know you're angry right now. And you're taking losses. Nobody wants to take losses. But literally, you got to walk away right now, okay? Because if you don't walk away, you're going to blow your account. You're going to blow account after account with nothing to show for it, and it's going to be bad.
Filled. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Hey, I understand you, man. Yesterday I had a rough day too, so, but it's all part of trading, man. It's all part of trading, Jen, right? So it's like, make sure you survive the days that you're down so that you can come back stronger, right? God bless you, Toby. Glad you like it here. Guys, we're still bear flagging on the 5 minute right now, okay? So I have a sell stop right here. If they stop me out, it stops me out. Still a lot of sell pressure, guys. Still a lot of sell pressure. Until we start breaking up and start building a base, they're going to keep on having sell pressure. Because semis are really weak. Micron's 987 right now. All right. AMD down. NVIDIA's trying to hold. Tesla going down really hard. Should have held my puts, man.
Order filled.
Got one out, holding one last.
Order submitted.
Come on, man.
Order
Nice. Boom! Pass this one. Nice. Nice. This one's already got profits in there earlier. Pass this one. Let me do another account. Rotate. Let me do this guy.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Do we build a base here to pump, or do we reject here again? You have to make a decision. Do we build a base here? If this is real right now from 730, we have pumped 100 points already. If this is a real, I look for another 100 point pump into the 900s, okay? If this is not real, then there's no pump. All right? Very simple. Harry Mitch, best trading community. You're done for the day. Traveling this week. Happy 4th. God bless. God bless you too, man. Have a good day. Guys, if we reject this box again, we break this box, we go to this box down here, 680, 660, okay? If we reject this box, we break this box down here, we're down to 680 and 660. Okay? The 15-minute chart right now is trying to do a hammer. Okay, it's trying to do a hammer, but if it breaks below, it's going to be bad. Okay? Size down and give yourself a chance, guys. Size down, give yourself a chance. That's the only thing that saved me today. If I did the same aggressive size like yesterday, I would have had like a massive blow up day today. But I learned from my lesson yesterday. And actually, I traded after I ended the stream, so my loss was kind of mitigated. Wasn't down that much because I made 25K on options. And then it mitigated the loss I had in the futures. So. If this is real, we should see 900. Okay? If this is fake, we go straight down candle like this. Boom! And we break this box down here. You have to make a decision. You have to make a decision. This is how the 15-minute chart is looking right now. Do we have a hammer and go higher, or do we break again? You have to make a decision. By the way, guys, if you haven't hit the like button yet, please click the like button, guys. And do the heart emoji here. These emojis here. Okay? And if you want the maximum discount on Futures Profit Firm, use the code FSP. What is Apex right now with 90% off? Use the code FSP. Take Profit Trader, my number one profit firm. I'm taking a payout today with this account. This morning I made the profits. Tonight I can request it. Right? So that's why they're my number one profit firm. Use the code FSP. You get the max discount. Same thing for my fund of futures, Tradeify. Okay. And today we're still going to do a giveaway after like maybe going to noontime. So we're going to give away like 5 today. Okay. Because yesterday we didn't do any. So we'll do 5 today. Just stick with us, and when we do it, you'll be there, okay?
Order filled. Order filled.
Still stuffing in this box, guys. Still stuffing in this box. Man, this is not good, guys. If we break this here, we're going to start doing liquidation, man. 300. This is only 650 points. We can double this down, guys. I don't want to scare you, but if today's where Semi's going to break down hard, we're looking at like 29,300. Still very weak, guys. Brutal.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm gonna rotate to another eval here. It's probably not gonna make it. All right, I'm gonna rotate.
Order filled.
Man, reject after reject.
Order filled. Order submitted.
I'm gonna see if they try to just come and do a shakeout.
Order filled.
Yeah, today could be a day that bad. It don't work. Could be. Could be. You're right. Man, they went down that 15-minute hard, that candle.
Order filled.
Wow.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I think I'm done catching the dip. Right now, we're going to start doing liquidations. If this thing here, we should have popped. From down here, anything under 850, we're going to sell hard. I'm done doing dips unless we get back up 850. Today could be the liquidation day, guys. Be really careful. We should not, unless they go all the way back up here, then that's different. But This is not good, guys. All right, this is really not good. We should not have rejected here. I will try along above 850. I'd rather buy 130 points higher. If I dip it, I'm going to be really fast. But guys, this is real. Let me remind you a day like I want to remind you guys, for those of you guys who think this is too big, we can't sell more. I want to remind you of this day here on an hourly chart. Okay, on this day we were up here 31,000, and then we sold all the way to 29,800, 1,600 points high lower. I'm not saying today has to be the day, but right now I'm out of every single long. Other than Tesla, I'm doing some swings on it. I'm momentarily hurt on that. Other than that, I got no more longs. This here is a big nail in the coffin. This rejection, massive nail in the coffin. Unless we can get above 850, there's going to be massive sell pressure. Because everybody who tried to long this year is not going to have to sell for a loss. I sold for a loss too. All right, so just be really careful trying to catch a dip, man. If I dip it, I'm going to be going for like for example, let's say 850, we sell 200 points. I will try to dip for a quick pump, and that's it. I'm not going to hold for like a V-shaped recovery. This stuff is no good, guys. It's no good, man. That's nasty. Semis are getting whacked. When semis are getting whacked, which is getting whacked right now, the market is going to take hard heat on it. Hard heat on it. I'm about to try to dip it after a 200 point a sell here. But even then, that's not safe.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
And by the way, I'm on an eval right here. Giorgio, God bless you, man. God bless you. You think I buy a lot of junk? Okay, no problem. No problem. I do what I do, and I get the payouts that I get. So I'm okay with my strategy. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Right? So.
Order filled.
My monitor 4K. I think it is. I'm not sure actually.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Sneaky, just passed your first eval. Thanks to info from the stream. No problem, man. God bless you.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
635. So we sold about 700 points so far. If it's real, we should pop 200 points back again. Like any real pop today should be at least 200 points, right? So
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
do we pop or do we drop? You have to make a decision here. Now that I'm green, now what? Now then I start selling to the pops and stop out if it starts breaking again. Remember, guys, like the way I trade doesn't have to be the way you trade, right? You can do whatever you want. If like I know there are many traders way better than I am. I'm just happy I can be net green. Last month I spent 25K in fees, evaluations, activation, resets. $25,000 is a lot of money, but I got back $85,000 in payouts. So I'm net profit $60,000. So when you're like, yo, bro, why are you catching a knife and blowing accounts? Yeah, because then now I got this like 3K here. Now I didn't lock it yet because I want higher, but if it dumps all the way back down, then I lose again. That's all part of trading, right? I'm okay with losing money in losing accounts because I know that's part of the game. I know that's part of the game. So I come from a paid advertising background, as I told you guys, right? So like I would spend like, you know, in the beginning a few $100 a day on a campaign to promote stuff, e-commerce, dropship stuff, right? Then when the campaign works well, I push it to $300 a day, $500 a day, $1,000 a day, $3,000 a day, $5,000 a day, $10,000 a day on advertising budget. As long as I'm still net green. That's where I get this mentality from, right? You're like, yo, crazy, that's crazy, FSP. Why do you spend 25K, bro? Because I spent 30K a day on ads. That's why. I paid Facebook 30K a day before on crazy days. Not every day, but there are days on like very high volume days. I paid them 30K a day, put on my credit card, running ads. Because I'm net green on those days. That's how I get this mentality of like, you know what? I don't care if I, you know, spent 25K last month on props because I got back 85K. That's how this mentality came from. Right? So I know some of you guys don't understand that and you're like, well, that doesn't make any sense, bro. Like, yeah, I mean, you're right. You could be right on that, but you know, there's a reason why I do what I do, and you know, and if it doesn't work for you, then don't do it, right? Then don't do it. Oh, I passed this account. Boom. And that is why I go buy some dips. Because now I passed an account. All right. It takes money to make money. Absolutely. That's right, man. Nice. All right, guys. So long as we're underneath A50, make sure you sell some, okay? If we're under A50, you're going to sell some. Now, if they somehow pump through here, hold this box, then we can attack 950 again, the 50% level, okay? But we're not out of anything yet. I took all my profit, I passed this account, but right now, we're underneath this box here. There's nothing to celebrate for the bulls yet. It's just we got a good 100-point pump, I'm out. Now I'm going to reset, right? From 629 to 770, we got about 150-point pump, okay? But, you know, there's nothing to celebrate yet because the bears are really strong today, okay? Really strong. Okay. If you buy the dip and it dips more, yeah, that's right. Like Trader Bless said, then your size too big, right? Let's see, like you saw me bought here, like, or also like you gotta rotate your accounts. Well, some accounts you get toast on the way down, but some make it. Like on my futures prop, I did lose a few funded, but I'm overall net green, and I'm also taking a payout today. Right, so Apple at 307, man. Why did I sell my calls, man? No, man. Should I look at how much I would have made on the calls that I sold? Oh, I probably shouldn't do that, right? Let me just go back on these apples. I had 275s and 285s. Bro, $30. I bought it at... You're kidding me, right? $285s. I bought a 3-ish, and now it's $23. 8 times. I shouldn't look at this, man. How did I sell all of them? What? Oh, man. All right, that's fine. Let's look at something else. All right, guys. So we are rejecting this box again. So far today, they're rejecting every box, right? Every box that we had, they're rejecting those levels. So make sure you know that. They're rejecting those levels. The 15-minute chart, that was a hammer. They fully rejected that. Do we do another large 15-minute candle down? I don't know. Or is this a hammer, a double hammer, and then go back up? I don't know. You have to make a decision. You have to make a decision.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
You're scared? Then don't trade. Yeah, too many sellers. I'm wondering if they finally print. I'm looking for them to print a double hammer wick on the 50-minute. Like printed bearish and then large wick. So we got a large wick on this 15-minute and a large wick on this. But if they don't do it, then they keep selling. That won't happen. So it's dangerous. Dangerous. Not a.
Order submitted.
It's not a safe play, but
Order filled.
I want to see if they do a large 15-minute wick. If they do if this 15-minute candle, they do a large 15-minute wick, we get a massive pump into this 800, 850. So, and that'll be the 200 points I'm looking for. But if they don't do it, we keep selling. Dangerous play, right? We break to this box 550, 500. So. Jamie, thank you FSP for these live streams. Also, your course has been really helpful. Glad you like it. Glad you like it. God bless you. Are we going to get a catalyst? Are we going to get some kind of a tweet or something? Book maps all sellers? I see.
Order filled.
Trading is terrifying, but you love it? Yeah, sometimes it feels that way. Do we get a W? Man, this is dangerous.
Order filled.
Do we get a W here? Or do we get a breakdown? Right now, guys, they are almost getting into another retest level in the hourly. Not yet. The 550, 500 level. The 500 level here, we should have some kind of support. It's also the 61.8 fib on this move up here. But I don't know, man. Actually, I'm not gonna do this fib. This fib's not that important. It's not that accurate. From this low, maybe to this high here. Okay. They always bull you up first. They always bull you up first, and then they do those big drops, right? On the 4-hour chart, they bull you up, and they're like, "Oh yeah, it's gonna go," and then they do a hard down day like this. Semis still pretty weak. Tesla back down to 394. Not one single real bounce in sight, man. I was hoping this would be like a W. Because we can get a W, we rip 200, but all it's doing is rejecting. The VIX is still only at 16.85. How's that possible? How's the VIX at 16.85, man? From this 780 rejection, we went another almost like, 160 point down here. So as long as we're underneath this low and this low here, I thought they would have had the 200 points sooner, but they still haven't had it yet. Yeah, the big techs are overall up, but Google pulling back a little bit. Apple's massive up today and slightly pulling back. Meta's down, Nvidia down with the semis, Tesla big down. So yeah, Meta pumped up yesterday on the news. They're building like AI cloud stuff. It's we're down 700 points from the highs this morning, and we're gonna have to see if we get a little bit of retrace to the upside. I mean, we got multiple rejections here. On this 15-minute chart, do we get a massive hammer that I'm looking for? So far we have this wick. I want to see a massive green hammer here on this 15-minute chart. This candle. We're closing in about 6 minutes on this 15-minute candle. If we can get a massive green candle on this 15-minute chart, we can do that 200-point pump. Okay, Shimani, I will be doing it after after 12, 12:30, something like that. All right, do we get a massive 15-minute hammer? Let's see.
Order submitted. Order filled.
You blew a fun account today, broke your heart. I mean, yeah, it happens. It happens. So far, we have a wick here on the 15-minute. I want a big 15-minute candle, green candle there. Trader bless, beautiful day. Grateful to have calm community to trade with. God bless you. Glad you like it, man. Man, so heavy. So heavy. Every lower high stuffed into. So heavy. Yeah, I reckon after every pump. But I want to see like a change in character where they pump through this high, then we'll get a little bit more momentum, right? That's why I'm still holding.
Order filled.
Sell one, sell two. Sell the two ads. Hold the other two. Working the core. KG Money, I'm thankful I got you live. You're very helpful. Glad you like it. Glad you like it. How many of you guys feel the same way, huh? How many of you guys feel like this live stream is helping you? I mean, obviously, I think some losses. I think some good wins. You guys feel like this live stream is giving you some good commentary? It's obviously not financial advice. It's just entertainment, right? How many of you guys feel like, man, I like the commentary on this live stream, huh? Very helpful, Dulo? Okay. MRB, you think so? Sam, Jimbo, NCF, Investment always vibe. Ghost Bear helps you a lot. Love Bug. Easy to get the profit target on the eval. Now, not in our way. Well, take it slow. Take it slow, okay? MUF. NGNC. Lots of you guys. Lots of you guys. If you like this community, just join us every day at 9:30. Every day at 9:30, we live stream. You know, guys, performing up that 15-minute candle. Remember to talk about? Who heard me talk about wanting a 15-minute hammer? 2 double hammers down here. Will they reject? If they reject, then we don't get that green candle. But I want to see a massive green 15-minute candle like this. We got 2 minutes to close. Maybe we don't have that. So then the next candle, if we open up here and we pump, that'll be nice. But it's still weak right now because a strong 15-minute candle would be like up here. 2 big hammers. That'll be stronger. Right now, still somewhat weak. Still somewhat weak, okay? So they're rejecting this box here again. Warres, today you bought 20 Apex with FSP code to thank me. Thank you. Thank you for your support. For those of you guys who use my code FSP to buy your prop firm accounts, you get the maximum discount. You don't pay 1 cent extra if you use my code, because if you use the prop firm's code, you pay the same price. You use my code, you pay the same price. So for those of you guys who support me tangibly, like obviously it's great. We're all here to make money, right? It's great to say, you know, thank you FSP. But if you want to support me in a tangible way, and use my code FSP, you get the max discount and it doesn't cost you anything extra. Please do that. And for those of you who do that, thank you for your support. I appreciate you guys. It, you know, encourages me to keep doing these live streams for you guys. Even though it was really hard yesterday, right? It was Canada Day. You know, I showed up, right? But you guys, on the hard days and easy days and the better days, I show up. So thank you guys for your support. Guys, we're stuffing into this 760 again, this box here again, man. We need a rocket candle to the upside. Like, we can't just do these little, like, small candles. We need, like, boom, 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 or else we keep selling again. So, but my guess is they may be trying to chop a little bit, but if we do another expansion to the downside, let's say here, you see this? If we do another expansion down here, we're going to go to like 500 zone, and 500 may be a good zone to bounce because that's like the hourly zone. That's important. So, rejecting again. Rejecting again.
Order filled. Order filled.
Bazanista, you can check out my YouTube channel. I have lots of videos on that. On my YouTube channel, okay? If you also want a detailed A to Z, step-by-step way of how I trade prop firms, I have a course with 81 videos. And right now I'm going to run a 4th of July sale for $100 off. Normally it's $247. You can get it for $100 off using the code J4. J4, you type it in here and click apply, and you'll get the course for $147. Okay? If you want it, here's the link. If you want to see the details, then you go to FSPFUTURES.com, put in your name and email, and you'll see the details of the course. Okay? Ghostbear, you guys should definitely get the course. Massive value. Glad you like it. Glad you like it, Ghostbear. 5 minute, either we're bear flagging or we're building a base to go higher. If we can pump here, then we should see at least 800 to 850. This we tested. If we don't, we stuff into here again. We'll do another expansion to the downside. So you have to like make a decision. Do we do another expansion to the downside here into 500s, or do we pump back up? Today, the trend is probably to the downside, right? But I'm looking for a reversal because I'm a reversal trader from 319 to 610. I'm wondering if they get a little bit of a retrace of a retest before maybe going down again, right? The 15-minute chart did not do a green candle that I want. Do we do it here? This kind of wick is not the kind of wick that I wanted, but at least we got a couple wicks. Okay. Now I want to see if they can get above the first spot is this 777, right? If we can get back above this previous breakdown zone here, then we'll do better.
Order filled.
If we have a hard reject, remember this action here, guys. If we chop, act like it goes up and instant reject, we can do that. Like this action here can happen right here. You have to make a decision. I'm going to hold for the pump, knowing that this is possible. Okay, if you got some profits and you don't lock it all in here, you better be okay if the market does this move right here. Okay, if the market goes up somewhere here and it does this move to down into this 550, you have to be okay with that. Okay? Or else you can just sell it right now. Okay?
Order submitted. Order filled.
If you're not okay with that, Penguin, then you don't take it. Then you just lock it, right? You just lock it. Deep pull here, man. Deep pull today. You think it's a healthy pullback? Ghost Bear is holding for the pump. Let's see, man. I will want to see them at least tap 800. 850 would be more ideal. Got one more out. I need one more pump.
Order submitted.
This could be the rejection zone, guys.
Order filled.
This could be the previous support become resistance. I'm holding. You don't have to, guys. I'm holding. You don't have to. This could be the rejection zone here. Previous support becomes resistance. Same thing up here, right? Make sure you know the risk as you hold here. Make sure you know the risks.
Order filled.
Boom! Pass the account. Nice. 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 Do we get a retrace into the 850s to 900? You have to make a decision. Lots of decisions to make today, guys. Lots of decisions.
Order filled.
Swept this high here. I want to see them test 850. This 15-minute. Very nice. Very nice pump. Do we squeeze back up into this box here into the 900, 950? That may be a little bit too much to ask. Who knows? Let's see. From the 610s, we've gotten almost 200 points, guys. Almost, not yet. Remember, if I say the bounce is real, it should be about 200 points. And so far, we're going for that. Very nice pump. Very nice pump. A couple of fast candle pops in here will be nice. For short. Noble Investment, what kind of account are you buying to pass a trade like this? Those are Apex 150Ks end of day. They're a little bit more expensive. It cost me 99 bucks with the 5-pack, but I've been buying them, passing them, blowing a bunch of them, but you know, it works for me, you know. End of day is way better. Obviously you don't get trailed out, so I can hold the trade longer. Entry out of your lungs. Well done, well done. Imagine you ride all the back up to 30,000. That's actually very possible. That's 50%. But it may be a tall ask. Maybe a tall ask. Let me do which account?
Order canceled.
Okay.
Order submitted.
So far, we almost got 200 points, guys. We almost got 200 points. We don't have to stop here, but okay, remember I said if the bounce is real, we should see about 200 points. 610, we're at 811. 200 points has been achieved. Did you guys like that? It took a while of trying, man. It took a while of trying, but we're there. Doesn't mean that we have to crash, but if you got some profits and you haven't locked any, the question is why?
Order canceled.
The question is why haven't you locked any?
Order filled.
Does Apex have daily auto drawdown? What's daily auto drawdown? I don't know what that means. Apple's up 4%. Yeah, yeah.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Oh, I got a trade day. Don't want to be stupid on this one. I don't think it's done yet, but I gotta do it really quick. Here's the moment of truth. If you think that we reject, you would short this here. Okay? If you think that we grind back higher, then you buy it here. So you have to make a decision. Do we bust through here or do we go back lower? Sure, you have to make a decision. I'm actually working on some merch here, so I got someone to help me out with it. So take a bit of time, but I'll let you guys know when it's ready. Market close tomorrow. You think they're gonna? 1 second. Let me rotate to another account. I'm gonna do an eval here. A little risky, but I'm gonna see if they pump it here.
Order submitted.
Thank you, Angia. That's right, guys. Tomorrow there's no live stream because the market's closed. Make sure you enjoy the 4th with your friends, okay, and your family. Both sides fighting hard. I mean, we got the 200-point pump that I talked about. So a little stall here wouldn't be out of the question. So
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
if we can dip into here and hold another higher low, we have an inverted head and shoulder, possibly. But if we break straight down here, then we may have continuation to the downside. So you have to make a decision. I'm doing an eval here. It's a dangerous trade here. And if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. All right. So rotating. Trying one more. If we cut straight down, that cut's going to be hard. Right? If we do a straight down cut like this, that cut will go straight down, guys. Make sure you know the possibility. We can do a cut like this. Straight down cut like that. Eval toast it. Still gonna go for it. I'm not fully convinced we're gonna fully drop here, but I could be wrong on this. Big rejection. 820 rejected 110 points so far. Still on an eval. But I may soon do a funded. If we can squeeze now above this 820, we can squeeze. If not, we'll dump again. So, I don't know. You have to make a decision here. Either we get a big candle back up or else we keep dropping again. Right now, it's not looking too hot. On the 5 minute, it's not looking too hot. 15-minute chart, rejection candle. So, not too hot here. Not too hot here. If we can this 800 zone, then the market's going to keep grinding lower. So you're going to have to make a decision.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Do we reject or do we keep going? You have to make a decision.
Order submitted.
We're clear for takeoff. I don't know, man. Right now, 5 minutes bear flagging. It's not good. If you want this to be good, it's got to take out this 800 here. So then you're ready for takeoff. Because if I'm short, let's say I shorted here. Let's say I have an average around here or here. I don't want to see this high ref violated. I don't want to see this box violated. If this box violated, I'm going to start thinking of like closing my short. But right now, there's no reason for me to close the short. If I'm short. Yeah, ranging a little bit, but bear flagging ranging. Unless we can take this out here. Bear flagging ranging, so. Anybody know why like Apple like went straight up today? Like literally went vertical. Like was that news or something like that? Like this is how fickle the market is, right? A week ago, because they're gonna raise prices, it was down to like 270s. That's when I bought the calls. Nowadays 305. 5 new phones, job cuts. Okay. The love bug, auto break evens, and auto trail stops helped you secure profits. Yeah, well, if that makes you stay in that green more, then definitely do that. Definitely do that. When I first started, I also did automatic ATMs as well. So I don't see any news. I mean, if I search it up, let me search up Apple AAPL. Let me see if I see any news on financial juice here. July 2nd, Apple is best positioned to face memory stock. Apple stock in focus as 5 iPhone Blitz test pricey. Okay, some new plans about the phones, I guess. Okay. Still looking weak, guys. Still looking weak here, guys. So unless we get back up here,
Order filled.
not good, guys. Pretty weak, pretty weak.
Order filled.
5 minute looking bad. If we can't get back above 800, we may have another leg lower. So not good.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Stem feed is a great live stream. Glad you like it, man. Join us every day 9:30. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification. Right, so
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
right now ES is a little weaker than NQ. Okay, ES is pulling much harder in the 5 minute than NQ now. Okay. Takeoff canceled. Guys, if you want to survive today, you gotta size down, okay? If you don't size down today and you get hit, whose fault is that? Okay? You gotta size down today. Even if you short, like you're like, oh, today's short, like it's like if you short down here and it pumps you, or you short down here it pumps you, either side, if you don't size down, could hurt you. Okay?
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
You got most of your loss back from sizing down. Great job, KG Money, right? One thing you learn from your videos and help is that you seem to always ignore the first 1 minute on the 5-minute bar open. Then you make a decision on 2 minute on. Well, I mean, on the first minute, I want to see like where they whip, right? I mean, I still look at it, but ES breaking lows. ES breaking lows. Oh, that fixed your trading? Nice, nice. You're not gonna hold this box?
Order filled.
Come on, man.
Order submitted.
Do a W inversion, man.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, this eval's toast. Next eval. I think we get some kind of reversal, but I could be wrong. I think they just chop around now, because in the past I try to short down here, they rip me back up, that kind of deal. So
Order filled.
that 15-minute bear flagging. Toasted a few evals and let's move down here. Haven't put it funded yet. When you see a knife to the floor, the inversion, then that's not inversion, that's extreme over so long. Very orderly sell today, not a lot of whips. Like yesterday. Yesterday was hard. I mean, but today's is much easier to sell than yesterday. Yesterday they did a little W and straight all the way up and then down and then, you know, but so today is a little different.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
How's this trading? I'm just full porting evals. Okay. Okay. If that's what you want to think, that's fine. Even though that's not what I do. You probably haven't watched this, right? But if that's what you feel, that's okay. Just feel that way. I mean, it's not going to change the way I trade. It's not going to change my goal of getting net green, right? But
Order submitted.
at some point in life, guys, you just have to, you know, it's like, oh, okay, cool. You know, it's like, at some point in your life, like someone says, you are not a man, bro. You're not a man, bro. I mean, if I'm not a man, why do you call me bro? Won't you call me sis? I mean, you ain't no man, bro. Okay. I got 4 kids, beautiful wife. All right. I'm loving the fam, loving the action. All right. You tell me I'm not a man, I'm not going to be faced. What I'm concerned though is your heart posture. I mean, I hope you're okay, you know. So if you say, "Oh, this is not trading," okay. All right. This is probably want to swipe that low here, huh? No, it explains to the man, right? 5708, no problem, man. RCO, that's too much, man. There's a million ways to trade, that's right. Trade the one that works for you, right? Yeah, I rep 3, I don't know, man, but it's all good. What a grind down, man. I was thinking like they're not going to grind fully down like that. I was thinking like a down boom and then short that, but they totally faked me out. They totally faked me out. I was like, okay, like yesterday they faked me out. They went down and straight up. So I'm like, today I'm going to play smart. Today I'm going to play smart, and they didn't do it. They faked me out today. But joke be on you, NQ. You faked me on the evals. You haven't faked me out on the funded on this move here yet, huh? You have to make a decision if you're a man, right? MRB. Nehemiah, you're the best on YouTube. I'm not the best. I mean, I'm just trading with you guys, trying to be net green, right? I know I'm not the best, but I don't need to be the best, guys. You don't need to be the best. You need to be net green. And you need to find the grace of God. That's what you need, right? That's what you really need. Some people say, I need this iPhone 18 coming out. Why do you need the iPhone 18, bro? I can't live without it. Well, you can't live without eating. You gotta go buy some beans and eat beans and rice. I can't do that. I can't live on beans and rice. Why not? Cause that's not a good meal. Well, how much money you got? I got like $100. Well, then you gotta tough it out. No. I have $2,500 on the credit limit. I'm gonna buy the iPhone. What? You're gonna put $2,500? You're gonna put $2,000 on the iPhone with a $2,500 credit limit, with $100 in your bank account? Yeah. You'd rather eat Chipotle than beans and rice, but that's what it is, though. Chipotle, you have beans and rice.
Order filled. Order filled. Order canceled.
Gotta get the priority straight, guys.
Order submitted.
Every pop is stuffed into, guys. Literally every pop, man. I'm not even kidding.
Order filled.
Want to get a little bit more to 4,500. Couldn't get it. Because they wouldn't push. I don't know what they're doing.
Order submitted.
From here, 820, we sold like 180 points straight down without a meaningful pump. Without one meaningful pump.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
15-minute looking really bad, guys. 15-minute bear flagging. 50-minute bear flagging. Lots of sell pressure. If we get into the 500 zone, I may try a hero long down here to hold for 300-400 point pump. All right, that will be hard to do, but if we get to 500 today and we stabilize, I may just try to get an entry and just sell some and then hold the rest. But I'll see. If we get to this 500 zone today, maybe if it really panics, this 400, if we lose 300, lights out, guys, lights out. But, you know.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
All right, do we have a double bottom or do we break below? You have to make a decision. Do we have follow through to the downside or do we pop back up for a W trade or a double bottom? They can swipe it here. If they swipe here, do we pop back up? Giorgio, please don't use words like that. Okay. Make sure you keep it clean here. Okay. Man, this eval getting hit. All right, let me hit another eval.
Order filled.
What a fade, guys. 820 straight down 200 point fade. That's something. That's something.
Order submitted. Order
That's some sell pressure from the market. SOXL semiconductors still very weak. Very weak. If semis don't start pulling up, the market cannot pull up. Yeah, they killed the low. Do we pump after this kill the low? Sell one.
Order filled.
Constant selling today. Do we get a double bottom or do we keep rejecting? You have to make a decision. How come I can buy at the bottom? I didn't buy at the bottom. I got one account that got hit earlier here, but this one went in on a better entry. That's why I rotate my accounts. Sometimes you guys say like, how do you bottom take every time, bro? I don't. I blow accounts. That's how I spent $25,000 in fees. In activations, accounts, resets last month. It sucks. It sucks. I blow a lot of accounts, but then I made $85,000 in payouts. So I'm net profit 60K. That's all I care about. For anybody who tells me that's not real trading, bro, blah, 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 I don't listen to them. I don't listen to them because they don't pay my payouts. I don't care what they say. They say like, bro, that's not real trading. You can't rotate your accounts. If you trade a real account, you wouldn't trade like this, bro. I have a real account. And I don't trade like that on my real account. But a futures prop firm, I trade it a different way. It's a video game. It's a video game to get cash prizes. That's it. Most people don't understand it. People don't understand simple concepts. I don't understand. Like, it's like, if you don't have money, don't buy the iPhone. Some people don't get it. They don't have money to buy the iPhone. It really surprised me. Like, if you got money, you buy the iPhone, I have no problem. Nice. Let's go back to the previous account. This one that got hurt. Now I'm going to sell. 2 left. Can we get a pump back up into this box here, man? He's a non-traditional trader and works for him. Yeah, I mean, if it works for me, I'm going to keep doing it, right? So... I gotta head to the washroom though. I've been holding this for a pump, but I didn't do it. While I go, let's do the first draw of today. Okay, every day we do like giveaways. Today we're gonna do 5, okay? 3 giveaways. This one we're gonna give away 2 accounts, okay? This giveaway is not associated with YouTube. Okay, it's just my way of saying thank you for being part of the community. Okay, so if you want to have a chance to win a, let's do Tradeify today. Tradeify today, 50K and 150K account. Let's do actually start with 250Ks. We'll do 250K accounts, select accounts. If you buy it, it'll be $220. Use the code FSP, you get the max discount. Okay? So 250Ks. If you want to be part of it, you can use one word to describe your morning's trading. Okay? You can say green, you can say crazy, you can be nice, whatever. It doesn't matter. And that will be the word that the tool will use to select a random comment here to get the prize. Okay? So right now, use one word to describe this morning's trading. When I'm back from the washroom, we'll do the draw of the day. Giveaway time. That's right, Jimmy. Jimmy's ready. He's DMing me. He's like, he's ready. All right, guys. I'll be right back. Try to prop it up for me, guys. Don't let him dump here while I go to washroom. This market is serious, man. From 820 to sold 250 straight down. All right, let's do the next draw here. 2 people win this account. Apple's pushing so hard. Semi's getting whacked. NQ's coming down hard. Crazy, crazy. Let's see what the winner is. We'll do 2 this time. Every day we do these giveaways, so if you like it, join us every day to have a chance to win. Today, 5. One of the 5 accounts that we give away, okay? Crazy, crazy. Back in the hourly demand. Mech Noble says today you got blown up. Hopefully, you only got some accounts blown up and others net green, and this will cheer you up a little bit. Randy, another down day as well. Hopefully this cheer you up, okay? Meg Noble and Randy Rand. Congratulations. Make sure you go inside the Discord.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Make sure you go inside the Discord under claim giveaway to claim your giveaway. Oh, wrong channel. Put on the wrong channel. Do we finally have a low, or are they going to play around here still? Oh, isn't it tiring to see you keep on going lower? Not if you're shorting. Not if you're shorting.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm out. I want to get 4,500 on this account. It just kept on going at 30. Like, it just can't get there. I'm not going to keep doing it because, you know, that's how when you try to go for a target, it just doesn't work. Okay, it's just so. From 319 on the NFP high, we sold so far 735 points. The interesting part is there was a day back in early June the market sold 1,400 or 1,600 points, something like that. So that is going to be repeated. We have only sold half the time that we're going to sell. Okay. But the only difference is on that day, the initial down move was earlier. But now we're into lunchtime. Okay. Now we're into lunchtime. So my guess is on the next pump, they will grind longer and hold longer. Because people who missed this short here, they're going to try to short it and hold for this long dump. And that's when they're going to frustrate the shorts this time. Now, every short, if they learn how to take profits, which they should just kind of like not do anything right now. Just keep the day green, okay? But for others who are not content, on the next move, they may give back everything because they may make it hard on the next one. Now, I could be wrong. You know, they go up. They can just maybe like chop it up here, hold, and don't go back on this low area here.
Order filled.
It won't likely be repeated now because people are afraid to dip it. Well, this down move here, I didn't expect them to grind down 250 points. All right, so this time if they take it up all the way up here, my guess is they try to hold a higher low, maybe pump higher. But if they keep on just pop, drop, then it's like, oh, okay, man, like. Tesla's at 394, man. Cray. Meg Noble, for you, it's 150k Tradeify. Okay? 150k Tradeify. The first two accounts, 150k Tradeify. If you want the max discount, use the code FSP, alright?
Order filled.
No problem. Alright, let's try shorting at the lows here, man. It's like, let's see if it rips now. It's like, I dip it and I'm like, I can't short the lows here, and it keeps on going lower. So now I'm gonna try, okay, let's try shorting the lows on these evals, man. Let's just try shorting the lows. Alright, so far today, you short the lows, seems to be working, so. Does my code work on Legends? Yes, it does, Mohammed. Thank you for your support. Use the code FSP, okay? Oh, you're sure.
Order filled.
this market. Apple's still squeezing, man. 307. Look at that. Shorting the whole works today. Shorting the whole works.
Order filled.
Go figure that. Should have done it earlier, man. Coulda, woulda, shoulda.
Order filled.
Meta big down. Tesla big down. From 319 at the NFP high, we're down to 584. What time's the market closing day? Normal. But I may not trade through the whole thing. I think the volume is going to start drying up. You know, people going to the fourth. But, you know, it's just constant grinding down right now. I mean, I'm probably going to hit a low sooner today. Going to hang out with the fam. Maybe go swim with them or something. You bought a 5-pack with FSP? Thank you, Billy. Thank you for your support. On big sell days is when they keep on grinding down. And you don't expect them to keep grinding down, and they keep doing that. So, Dirta, that's the instrumental. I make those up. I make those myself. So, if you want to hear the actual music, you can go to our channel. This is Spotify music channel for us on FSP. You can do those as well. We were saying those at about an hour ago. Yeah, right now they're about to crack it. I'm gonna lock it in 1400 on this one by shorting the lows. So today, normally I don't short the lows, but today shorting the lows has been working. So what can I say? You know, what can I say? Right now, look at the 4-hour chart. We're coming up into this pennant area. This 450-ish, 400. If we don't hold this level, especially this 300, man, not going to be good.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
I have a feeling today they're training everybody to sell this pop, and we're going to get some big pop at the end before 4th of July. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong on this. Like, they keep on going low, 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 and then in one, maybe we get a catalyst, and one candle, we're up like 300-400 points. And if it's 300 points, 550, it's only 850. It's only up here. All right, so don't kill the messenger here. If we get a 300 point pump, it's just from here to here to this box. All right, So I don't think that's impossible. I don't think that's impossible, although I have no idea. I'm just making a total guess here, right? So you can do whatever you want. All right, you can do whatever you want. It's just an educated guess. But if we keep on grinding lower and lower, I'm sized properly today. I'm very comfortable compared to yesterday in terms of emotions. I'm very comfortable because I sized properly. Okay. Is that right, Should I be free? There you go. So maybe it's wrong. Who knows? Can you imagine the premiums on Tesla? Like 400 calls went from $5 to almost $35 7 times. And today they're now back to $8. What a crazy market. Steady sell algo since the morning sell here. Semis dumping again? Yeah, semis are really bad today. SOXL cracked the recent low, so the next low will be 157. I think the semis will have a bigger drop. I think it needs to break, like for semiconductors. SMH, I think it needs to wash that 550 low. Maybe even the May low of 530s. We can wash that and get into the 500s. Then that'll bring some panic, some fear into the market. The VIX pop back up to 25, 27. That's when I go in on my retirement account. So the VIX haven't even popped yet right now. But let's say Micron drops back down sub 800, 700, that kind of zone. People start getting like, oh, everything's going to pop. And then we're going to get that one massive pump. And I'm going to go for that. So, but we'll see. I mean, like, Micron's gone great. I mean, like, even Micron, if it goes to, like, if it breaks that recent low 830s and goes to around 770s, 750s, that'll be a nice place for a bounce play. But right now, it's really, really, like, really, really weak. Yeah, like they really faked them out on this 4 hour, right? Massive hammer straight back up. Like that's what the market has done, right? Straight up, straight down, then pumped them straight up, both them up, and now today, straight back down. So, but you know, we still have a higher low. We still haven't broken this 4 hour demand here with a little pennant here, with a little trend here. So it looks bad today, but you know, I'm not fully bearish on the market just yet, to be honest. If you want a catalyst, you know, you gotta get a catalyst sometime soon.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right. The market is not open tomorrow. The stock market is closed because of observance of Independence Day, July 4th, right? So no, it's not. Apple's 308? What did it do? Create like a brand new AI phone or something like that? Like in one day? Like did it like, you know, I don't know, like made the most crazy technology or what? Like what did they do?
Order filled.
How's Apple pumping straight up when the market is like 800 points lower, man? $425 seems to be next target. We'll see. We'll see. Wow, this Tesla is no joke, huh? $392, huh? Someone just got liquidated 400K on that move down? How do you know that? Like, how do you know he got liquidated for? Like, where he bought and what he sold? How do you know that?
Order filled. Order filled.
The market right now is just like grinding lower, and shorting the hole seems to be working until it doesn't. So while it's doing that, let's do another draw for the newcomers today. If you're brand new to the community today or last week, then this coming up draw is just for you guys, okay? All you gotta do is type in the chats and say, when did you join us, okay? You can say, you know, today, yesterday, last week, last Wednesday, last Thursday, okay? You put it in the chats here, and the tool will automatically select a winner, a random winner. This giveaway is not associated with YouTube. It's just my way of saying thank you for being part of the community. So if you want to be part of this giveaway, go put down right now. We're going to give away a Tradeify. You know what? We're just going to do all 150Ks today, all right? 150Ks, Tradeify. Let me see here. All right, I'm going to rotate. This counts, I make it. Tradeify 150K lightning funded, meaning that you don't need to pass an eval. You don't need to pass an eval. You get the account right away, okay? How can the VIX not be popping, man? 16.71? Crazy, man. It's just semis killing the market. Alright, guys. So right now I'm going to do the draw. Just put in when you joined. And we're going to give away a 150K lightning funded. This thing, 150K lightning funded on Tradeify, costs $500, man. Or let me double check here. On lightning funded, how much is it? 150K lightning funded, $478, guys. If you use the code FSP, this is a $500 account, guys. All right. It's not very mobile friendly here, this thing. I don't know why it's not. Like, why is it like that, man? Can't even show the account. Where's the... Come on. 150K, $478. Okay, if you were to buy it, if you don't want to pass an eval, that's how much it will cost. All right, so let's see who the winner is. Wow, 300-point bleed from here, man. That's insane, man. See what the winner is? Into the 61-day fib here. Two weeks ago. Blaze, 2 weeks ago doesn't count. It has to be either this week or last week. So unfortunately, we have to do another draw. Okay? Jimmy, long time ago, right? We got another draw after this for everybody. If you didn't make it this one, no problem. Okay. See what the winner is. It's there's a $500 account, $480. Okay. For those of you guys just joined the community. What a bleed. I don't know how Apple is pumping straight up when the market is down 800 points. Am I missing something? Why is Apple pumping straight up? All right, I don't know why this guy... Okay, that's not an answer. We're going to load the comments again. 484.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Tuesday, Zazie. Welcome to the community. Make sure you go inside the Discord and follow the instructions under claim giveaway to claim your giveaway. All right. All right, guys, they're liquidating. I mean, I've blown like a few evals down here. I haven't touched a funded. This is crazy, guys. Like the VIX is at 16.75, man. Like crazy action. Like, what is it doing? From 820, we went down like 400 points almost. Like from here. What? And the VIX is at 16.7? What's going on? Yeah, semis are down really hard. That's the thing, yeah. And Micron is like 967. The semiconductors are leading the market down, that's why. But you don't see like no pop, right? I mean, that's crazy. Just steady selling, profit taking in the semis today. They're taking profits. Like from here, like grind here, like 830 straight down, 400 points. Like I would have thought at least some kind of pop. Yesterday, that's why I was like, you know. Yesterday, they did a little down, rip them up, and then they sell, right? But today, they did nothing like that. Like very, very slow, small little bounces. Do we finally pump from here, or is it another fake out?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
400 points, man, almost. What a crazy market. And the VIX is being suppressed while I was doing that.
Order filled.
This 450 mark may be the zone. It's gotta hold to 4 hour support zone, demand zone here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm guessing if they chop around here, we should get like a 200 point pump here. I think this should be done. I think this is a temporary low of the day. Even on the next dip, I'm gonna try to buy into it.
Order submitted.
This eval won't make it though, but
Order filled.
because of the entry. But I'm gonna rotate to this guy. I think we're done selling here. I could be wrong, but
Order submitted.
this 450 zone here, this zone here, 400, 350 zone. Hard to say, but lots of games, but
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
like we sold 400 points on this high here, 820. We sold almost 400.
Orders.
I mean, we don't have to, you know, go by like a little touch of 600, 650 won't be crazy. Are we going to reject her again, or? If the semis can start retracing back higher after this crazy, like, massive sell-off, if we get a little, like, relief bounce, then the market may be able to bounce back up to 600, 650 zone here. From 450, even if we tag 300 today, that's like only 350 points. But I don't know if they'll do that today. We gotta break out of this downtrend and change the structure. Like, we can't just keep on pop, drop, or else they'll keep doing that. But if we can change the structure, meaning that we go boom, like the 700, 750, come down, retest, and hold, then we're done, right? Today's not a half day, is it? I don't think so. Guys, the same way that they grind it down and 400 points, the same way they can grind back up 200, 300 points, right? So if you short it and it rejects, great. But if you short it and it doesn't reject, you gotta have a plan. All right. Tomorrow is July 3rd, but the market is an observance of July 4th because July 4th is on a Saturday. That's why tomorrow the market is off.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Just insane amount of weakness. Insane amount of weakness.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I feel like they want to bounce, but if they go back and starts going down, then it's gonna be bad again. So it's hard to say, man. If we print a higher low here, we can squeeze, but I'll give it a chance. I'm going to stay long on this time. I'm going to give it a chance. But like a really tight stop around this 500 zone here. If it comes down here, this eval won't make it anyway, so. Yeah, let's see if I got toast. Let me do one more. I think they're gonna chop here, guys. They're gonna fake some downs. I think they're gonna try to bottom, and they're gonna fake both sides here and chop up some accounts right now. So, like, you can't long it, you can't short it, that kind of deal right now. That's what they're gonna do. So. I think even on a little dip, we should pump here, I think. Could be wrong on that, but... I think they're going to try to build a base here to try to go higher. I mean, at least take out the 600, 620, 640 zone here. But if we can't bust through this 560, we go lower again, so. Rejecting again. No pop whatsoever. Alright, I'm gonna have one last eval, and if this eval doesn't work, I'm done toasting evals. So this is gonna be my last eval today. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna wrap it up. So this market, I don't like it. You know, like faking to the upside, try to short it, but if fake it like they're gonna go up again and it's just chopping a lot of evals up, I don't like it. I don't like it. So I mean, I'm net green on the funded, so this will probably be the last eval before I wrap it. But I don't like this action. You know, like this, we should have pumped here, try to short it, looked like it's gonna pump. How do you pass or fail on the eval? If you get to the profit target, you pass it. If you breach the drawdown, you fail it. So. Consistency rule is you can't make. Guys, you know what? I'm not even gonna answer that. Just go and Google it up. All right. Consistency rule. You gotta learn it. You know, if you're gonna trade prop firms, if you don't learn it, you're not gonna make it in prop firms. Okay. We have a higher low here. Do we hold this higher low? You have to make a decision. Big Rich, thank you for being here every day. This community is blessed. Christ is King. Amen, Big Rich. Thank you for the super chat. Christ is King. Amen. Amen. God bless you, bro. Really happy to see your payouts. Really happy to see your payouts. And there's a business putting to work. That's right. That's right. I will. Sorry. This market can't catch a break. Literally can't catch a break. What's going on, Richard? All right, that's it. This eval is done. I'm going to do the last giveaway of the day. I'm not going to touch my funded. My funded is very net green today. I'm not going to touch it. And I'm going to lock in my payout on the take profit. It's just right now, guys, down here is very hard, okay? The market's gone down 700 points, 800 points now, and it's not bouncing. And every time I try to short it, like unless you go really small size, I try to go bigger size. It's not working. So I'm not going to keep blowing like eval after eval for no reason. Like I haven't, like this move here, I don't want to keep on blowing evals. They do add up eventually, right? So I'm going to call it early today. This is not my kind of trading when it grinds down, right? Because you're always afraid of a straight pop here like this, but then it can keep grinding lower, right? So I'm just going to lock in a payout today. And next Monday, we're going to do it over again, right? But make sure you don't leave yet because we're going to pray together because that is the signature of our community, okay? And also, we're going to do the last giveaway of the day. Last giveaway of the day. And we're going to give away 2 accounts. And we'll give away 250K select accounts, okay? And if you want to be part of this giveaway, remember, it's not affiliated with YouTube. It's just my way of saying thank you for being part of the community, okay? And so if you want to be part of this giveaway, type in your P&L of the day, and I'll give you guys about a minute to do that. I'm probably going to head to the washroom as well, and when I'm back, I'll do the last draw of the day. Then we're going to pray out into the weekend and give thanks to our God, all right? So put in your P&L of the day, and then I'll do the draw when I'm back from the washroom, and we'll pray it out. We'll pray it out, all right? I'll be right back. All right, let's do the last giveaway of the day. And make sure you join us for the prayer at the end, because that's the signature of our community. Let's give away the last 150K accounts. What a crazy day in the market. Almost 1,000 points lower. Let's see. Your P&L of the day will be the draw for the winner. Best Life Trading and Red Title. Hopefully this eval is going to give you guys a better weekend, right? Remember guys, if you took loss today, you can always come back. Best Life Trading family and Red Title. Hopefully this eval is going to cheer you up a little bit. Remember, sometimes, in trading, you're going to take some losses, but staying in the game is what lets you continue. All right? So let's do what we do as a community, guys. Let us do what we do as a community, and let us pray. No matter what your P&L is today, remember that you are alive. The market may seem like it's constantly going lower, but just as the market goes down and it goes up, so is life. So today, as we go into the weekend, when we posture our hearts in a posture of thanksgiving, because in thanksgiving, that's when we find hope. That's when we find strength. That's when we not lose focus on what's important. Heavenly Father, we thank you today that you've given us life. We thank you for giving us this community, that we can gather and pray together, that we can acknowledge you, Jesus, the author and finisher of our faith, the one who saves us, the one who heals us, the one who delivers us. And in the moments when we don't feel that those things are being done, may you refocus our minds and our hearts on you and on your words and on your promises. That your words will not return to you void, that it will accomplish the very things that you have said it for it to accomplish. So God, we plead your blood, Jesus, over our lives, over our families, over our marriages, over our kids. May you lead us, heal us, guide us, and walk on this path of everlasting. And we pray for the people who are suffering and who are in hurt and who are in a tough time right now, especially for our brother Brandon Chaplin and his wife. May you comfort this family. May you heal their hearts. And may your strength and your comfort and peace sustain them. And may you sustain all of us going into this weekend, knowing that you're with us, that you're for us if we're in Christ. And we thank you for so great a sacrifice, Jesus. And so may the Lord bless you and keep you. May He cause His face to shine on you and be gracious to you. And may He turn His face towards you and give you peace. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Have a good night, guys. Tomorrow there'll be no stream because the market's closed, but on Monday at 9:30, we'll do it all over again. Remember, if God is for you, who can be against you? God bless you, and God bless your family. See you next week. Shalom.
The stillness, I hear your call, a gentle whisper through it all. Your light breaks through the darkest night, guiding me home with holy light. Oh Lord, I kneel before your throne. In your presence, I'm not alone. Your love surrounds me like the air, a quiet peace, a whispered prayer. The weight I carry fades away. Your mercy meets me where I lay. Through broken words, I find my voice. In your embrace, I now rejoice. Oh Lord, I kneel before your throne. In your presence, I'm not alone. Your love surrounds me like the air, a quiet peace, a whispered prayer. Gentle stream washing over my every dream. A heart renewed, a soul restored. I